Merry Christmas from all of us here at Shabby Fabrics. I only wish I could get us all gathered up. There's about 115 of us now and 2 dogs. Just know we mean it with our whole heart. We've been able to meet many of you already in our showroom and just be able to have conversations, hear what excites you about sewing and quilting, hug you. You've enjoyed a cookie while you wait for us to fill your order. It's been incredible. So if you have not yet made it out to the showroom, we would love to have you put that on your calendar for 2026. But please know how much we appreciate you. You are what we do here every day, including making video and products, shipping them, dreaming up new ideas. You are what keep us going. So thank you so much for being such an incredible blessing to all of us. And please know that each day we appreciate earning your business. We know that you have choices, and the fact that you call Shabby your home to create, we appreciate that. So we wish you a blessed Christmas and a joyful new year. So much more is coming your way. Share the good news of Shabby Fabrics, because I know as a maker, one of my favorite things to do is create with my friends. God bless you, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year.